A P60 is a crucial document in the UK tax system. But what exactly is it? A P60 is an official statement that shows how much you've earned and the amount of tax you've paid in the previous tax year. It's a unique form that contains essential tax information HMRC uses to keep your tax record accurate and correct. You'll receive a P60 from your employer or pension provider by May 31st each year, covering the tax year that ended on April 5th. If you have multiple jobs, you'll get a P60 from each employer. This form can be provided electronically, on paper, or through an internal payroll app. Your P60 contains several important pieces of information. It shows your total pay, the amount of income tax deducted, your national insurance contributions, and any statutory payments like maternity or paternity pay. It also displays your final tax code, which is crucial for ensuring you're paying the correct amount of income tax. Keeping your P60 forms for at least 6 years is recommended, as they're important for various reasons. You might need your P60 when claiming a tax rebate, fixing errors in HMRC's system, applying for credit, or completing a self-assessment tax return. If you lose your P60, you can request a duplicate from your employer or access the information through your HMRC personal tax account. It's essential to check your P60 for errors, as mistakes could lead to paying too much or too little tax. Verify your national insurance number, final tax code, gross pay and tax deductions. If you spot any errors, contact your employer's payroll department to have them corrected and a revised P60 issued. Your P60 can also be useful when claiming a tax refund. If you've overpaid tax during the year, HMRC will typically issue a refund automatically. However, if this doesn't happen, you can use your P60 to help HMRC calculate your refund. Remember, you have 4 years to claim back overpaid tax. It's important to note that a P60 is different from a P45. While both contain similar personal and financial details, a P60 is an annual summary, while a P45 is issued when you leave a job and only covers the period up to your leaving date. Understanding your P60 is crucial for managing your taxes effectively. By knowing what information it contains, how to check it for accuracy, and how to use it for tax-related matters, you can ensure you're paying the correct amount of tax and claim any refunds you're entitled to. You can find out more about tax rebates and tax calculators at www.taxrebateservices.co.uk.